My name is Brianna Lott, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Storybird. So the first thing you want to do when you pull up your internet browser is to type in https://storybird.com, storybird.com. And it's going to pull you up to a screen like this. Now the artwork here changes, but the first thing you want to do, if you've never used it, is go to sign up for free. You're going to choose if you're a regular user, an educator or teacher, or a student. So you guys would be educators or teachers. You're going to type in what you want to use as a username, an email address for you, and then a password for you. Okay, and then you're going to click on Create Account. Now I'm going to go ahead and sign into mine, but what yours will pop up after you click on Create Account is what mine is about to look like. So I'm going to sign in. And it's going to pull you up to your home page. Now, this is like where you'll do everything from, okay? So you as a teacher, you're going to have your classes. If you go over here, you can add a class. You can do settings for class, so on and so forth. So you can go over here to students, okay? And if you have older students, you can send them out a link that you can post on your board or print out for them. And they can basically type that in and sign it themselves. If you have younger students, you may want to create those usernames or first name, last names for them, and you can add them yourself. Parents, the cool thing about this, once they create a story or assignment, parents can be given the link to their child's work, and they can go on and look at that. They also just added this new feature since I've started using it, and it's the My Assignment. So you can create an assignment, and you can create assignments for different classes. If you have multiple classes, if you only have one, you can send that assignment to them. They also do fundraisers where you can tell parents, hey, we're selling our books. Please go on and purchase them, and you get a percentage of that. They have a blog where they answer a lot of questions if you're having trouble using it, and then you can print and download instructions or even your books. So up here at the top, you can go to Create, and this is what your students would do as well because their page will open up a lot like this one. And it has thousands of pictures that are painted or made by different artists, okay? So you would choose one that you really like, and they're school appropriate. So let's say we like this art. It's going to tell you where the art's from, who did it, so on and so forth. If this is what you want to use, you're going to click on Use This Art. And you're going to choose what you want to use it for. Long form, picture book, poem. We're going to create a picture book. So we'll pop up to this screen. If you'll notice, it's also popping up a lot of artwork made by the same artist. So if your students don't have a story in mind, they can kind of bounce off of these pictures and go from there. If they do, they would just choose artwork that they think fits their story. So you can drag your artwork here. So if I decide I want to use something else besides these two little girls, I can go over here to the side. I can choose this artwork. I can drag it in, and that's the one I can use. And then I click over here on the text box, and I can type in what I want my story to be. When you're finished, you click Save and Exit. Okay? And once you have given your story a cover page and a title. It's very simple, very, very easy to use, very kid-friendly. You add your pages down here with the plus or minus sign to the right and over here to the left. So you would save and exit, and that would automatically save for them. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to show you one that we have made before. So I'm going to go to my classes. Okay, so we're going to choose this one that I've published, okay, and it's there for you to look at, and this would also pop up your students as well, okay, so you can see what you've created, you can look at others, you can choose to look at them, you can go through the pages, so on and so forth, and it is very easy. The kids usually love it.